Hello, this is Ed from loseandShapeUpExpert.com. Wanted to do a quick exercise demonstration and to set this up as to why it's this particular exercise. Well, a lot of this and a lot of the reasons I choose certain exercises for busy mums. Firstly, they've got to burn a few calories, which means the list of muscles involved has got to be quite high because more supply and demand, if you like, means more calorie burn. Usually put them in the format of a structured circuit so that you're doing big muscle group exercises, usually different muscle groups, different exercises back to back. Obviously the heart rate's going to be fairly high at the end of that as well, so cardiovascular benefits. Now to set this one up, I also put in kind of with upper body, basically all of the muscles on the front of the upper body push, and all the muscles on the back of the upper body to some degree pull, depending on which angle. For me, in relation to posture, the pull type movements are slightly more important, just because you imagine everyday life. If you're on, let's say, the school run or taking children to activities, you're in your car, so usually your shoulders are rounded, hands steering wheel, or some of you I know like to drive like you're in some kind of R&B hip-hop movie, so gangster style, but shoulders are forwards, and so we're tightening through the musculature on the front of our bodies. If that's a continual thing, we mould into the positions we find ourselves in the most, then we tend to stay a bit shoulders rounded. If you work in an office, same thing, for hours of the day you're in that position, shoulders rounded. The list is, when we're looking on our phones to some degree, we're shoulders forwards, which you might be right now. But that kind of means muscle relationships, they come in pairs, so if the musculature on the front is tight, overworked, the opposite will be happening to the muscles that pull the shoulder blades back. So for me, upper body wise, the first exercise I think of in my circuit, the Lose and Shape Up system, exercise system, is pull type exercises. And I'm going to demonstrate one of those right now. It's called the Renegade Row. And to set this exercise up, what I'm going to do first, because I like to give variations, different. Now for most people, being in a plank position is quite a challenge. So what I want to start off by doing, again, set yourself with whichever dumbbells you need, but having the knees quite far back, far enough so that the muscle that holds me in place has got the stability muscle has got to fire. I'm trying to get my shoulders over my wrists. I'm trying to squeeze my shoulders away from my ears, stomach is tight, and I'm just going to row one of these at a time. Squeeze my elbows beyond my body while staying nice and square to the floor. So I'm going to make that harder, bring my knees a bit further back, I'm going to lift my body weight forwards, and then squeeze up. If I want to make that harder still, and I bring my feet off this mat, then there's that again. Body weight right over the dumbbells, and from there, I'm just going to squeeze one up at a time. Aiming for as many as I can with good technique. Obviously, if I'm here for ages, I probably need to make it heavier, and vice versa. But that's the key. What I'm doing is putting my elbow towards the ceiling without tightening my shoulders, keeping my shoulders away from my ears, keeping my stomach tight, keeping the backside tight to keep the hips in place. That is the exercise. But good, like I said, to do pull exercises to try and keep that nice upright posture. Here's a little tip: if my posture's changed, my posture's good, do I look slimmer, in better shape in that position or in that position? There we go, quick tip. Okay, thank you for watching the video. See you on the next one.